Hello, traders and learners. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful patterns in Elliott Wave Theory, the impulsive wave, also known as the 5-3-5-3-5 structure. So, what is an impulsive wave? It's a simple five-wave structure that moves in the direction of the larger trend. That means, when the market is trending up, impulsive waves push it higher. When the market trends down, impulsive waves push it lower. Let's break it down step by step. Wave 1 starts the move. Wave 2 is a correction, but it never goes below the starting point of Wave 1. Wave 3 is usually the strongest and longest wave, driving the market forward. Wave 4 is another correction, but it cannot enter the price territory of Wave 1. And finally, Wave 5 pushes the market to its last high before a bigger correction begins. Inside each of the trend waves, Wave 1, Wave 3, and Wave 5, you'll often see smaller impulsive patterns, and inside Waves 2 and 4, you'll usually find smaller three-wave corrections. That's why Elliott waves are called fractal. They repeat on smaller and bigger time frames. Now, remember these three golden rules. Rule number 1, Wave 2 never falls below the start of Wave 1. Rule number 2, Wave 3 is never the shortest wave, and it's often the longest. Rule number 3, Wave 4 never overlaps with Wave 1 territory. If you follow these rules, you can label impulsive waves with confidence and avoid common mistakes. So, why does this matter? Because understanding impulsive waves helps you see where the trend is headed. It helps traders spot entry points, manage risk, and ride big market moves. Next time you look at a chart, try to spot the 1-2-3-4-5 structure. You'll be surprised how often it shows up. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Elliott Wave education, and share this with someone who wants to improve their trading skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.